This is Gary Kay, and we're walking the show floor the day before the show starts, and we're just shooting some stuff that we see as we walk through the show floor, and this is certainly one of the impressive things that you're going to see at ISE 2013. Of course, Samsung, everybody knows who Samsung is. They have they just announced a $6.6 billion profit last week, so they're doing very well, and they're going to have a big showing here at ISE. They've moved from the digital signage hall into the main hall, main entrance, and of course, they're not finished setting up yet, but one of the things I want to point out to you is if you look over there, in the middle of the booth, you'll see a 95-inch LED lit LCD. That trumps the 90-inch from Sharp. So there's this 95, just a slightly larger, and that'll be something new that we'll show. And then next to that, to the right, you'll see their transparent displays, which are great applications for digital signage, and to the right of that you see their square displays, which are obviously aimed at sort of the Christie Microtile market. But it's just a couple of things we're going to see on the show floor here at ISE 2013 in Amsterdam. So check back often, check back as much as you can, and bookmark this page because we're coming to you live from the show floor even though the show isn't even open. This is Gary Kay. I'll see you in the next video.